Hi and welcome. I am Katarina and this is my channel, your place for card making, creative inspiration and a little extra sparkle in every project. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Let's jump into today's project. Hi everyone, I'm Katarina. It's hard to believe we are into the 1st of March today. So much has happened in the last 2 months. It really has. The months have just flown. So today I'm back with another lovely sketch challenge for you, and this one is hosted by Lisa from Crafting Diva. And every month she sets out a template for us to make our own take on this. We have a whole list of other ladies participating in this challenge. I will have the YouTube or Instagram accounts linked in the description box below. Make sure you go and check out everyone's makes, what kind of a take they had on this sketch that Lisa set out for us for this month. So we have... She drew it as a rectangle, but of course you can take your take on it. And yes, you can join in with our sketch challenge. Share your makes on social media or send a photo to Lisa. Use our hashtag so we will be able to see what you're making. So you can see it's quite simple this month. We have a few layers and then a lovely little bow and a sentiment. So when it is such a quite a simple design, I do like to go out a little bit on the embellishment. So that's what we are going to do. It is going to be nice and quick. I am assuming I have a few things prepared. So this is an 8 by 6 inch card base. You can resize it to anything you like. I started with a 12 by 8 inch card, scored that in half and just folded into this top folding landscape version of card. Then I have a piece of paper, and this is pink from one of Chloe's paper pads. I think this was pastel sorbet, and I'm using the lighter pink in here today. And this one measures just 1/8 of an inch smaller, so 7 7/8 by 5 7/8. But of course you can drop down your layers by 1/4 of an inch if you wish. I do like to use both. Today I decided to go with a thinner border. I also have glitter dove with crystalline fine glitter. This is just what I keep in this pot. This is also from Chloe's Creative Cards, and I used the chisel tip glue pen just to draw around the 4 edges and dipped it into that glitter. Adds a lovely shimmer to it. So I'm just going to very quickly glue this down. And then I have this gorgeous peony paper to go on top of this, again measuring 1/8 of an inch smaller than the matte, and this one is 7 3/4 by 5 3/4, and this is from the Pretty Peonies paper pad. You can see all the lovely pink designs in this one. This is the new paper pad that I have. I purchased a couple of weeks ago, so I'm going to glue this on top very quickly. Then I have a piece of card and I have embossed this. So where did I put this embossing folder? It's the lattice background 3D design, and it is so pretty. I really don't use this enough. So I have the same pink paper that we added onto the matte in there, again the lighter shade. This one measures 4 by 6 inches. And again glittered up with the crystallina, and this one is just 1/8 of an inch smaller at 3 7/8 by 5 7/8 of an inches. And I am going to add this in the I think I'll go up right against the edge in there so it looks like a continuous line, or I could no, because I already glittered that up. So I'm just gonna go like this. I'm going to layer these up, and I think I'm going to pop these on foam pads then. Okay, so these 2 layers are popped up on foam pads. I'm going to reinforce it with a bit of a liquid glue just. That's just going to give me a little wriggle room to put everything nicely in place, and also will make that bond much stronger between the 2 layers. So now we have a bow to add to our design. I have die cut my bow, which is this one in here, and to do that I used a die set, which I did have in here on my table just a minute ago. It's this one here, the 3D bow die. So what I've done, I've taken that exact same paper as I used for my mats. I've covered a piece in double-sided sticky adhesive and I've die cut from these. Now I'm going to glitter all these elements off that come with the bow, and also I have cut a piece of strip of card which is going to run from there to there. It is again the same color, everything will be the same color as the background in there, so it's nice and matching. And then I will be adding my bow to there, but I think I'm going to cut this die much thinner. So let's do this and glitter these up just by peeling back the double-sided adhesive. Alright guys, my phone went off and I stopped recording for a minute, so you could see me doing just using hot glue to assemble the bow. I have 2 layers in here, but you could just use one of these if you wish. And also I am going to leave my quite nice and a dimensional bow as is, or also you could flatten this design into a much flatter design. So again, you could make this into a bow design like this, like the 2 layers on top of each other, or crisscrossing like this here, and I really love that design. So then we have this piece in here, which I'm going to add just in the middle, wrap around the back of this. And then these 2 will be just placed behind. So this is the bow ready. How pretty is that? It's so super shiny and glitter. But you, of course, you don't have to add the glitter if you don't want to. I do love my glitter, so of course I had to add some. So I am going to add this in here. And I have to trim this down to size also. Okay, so for my sentiment, I picked Thanks, and I used this die from this Gemini die set. I've had this for quite a while in my stash now. I do think this came with my die cutting machine when I used to have the Gemini die cutting machine. So I'm not sure if this is still available, but I just really wanted to use a thanks die or a thank you die, because I didn't want to stamp. I don't know why, I just felt like die cutting today, and I wanted to use a thank you one. I have run out of thank you cards, so you really need to stock up on them. So I thought this was a great opportunity, and I think this is such a lovely V card, would make a lovely thank you card. So I have layered 2 white and a pink die cut, and then it just didn't stand out enough, so I added this white layer behind it, and I just trim around that with my scissors. I don't know if I like it in there. I think we're gonna go in there with it. I'm going to change up the design a little bit to put in there, but I also want to add something to this background in here. And onto all of these dots, I'm adding just a little bit of a glue. And at first I was thinking to add maybe some small rhinestones, but I couldn't find the right shade of pink of these teeny tiny rhinestones that I have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scatter some glitter onto them. And this is the Watermelon Crush. So this is a light pink glitter. I did play with the idea of adding a stronger pink in here, but I don't know. I don't want it to take away from the bow. I want it to be complemented. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I added too much glue in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle this all on this design. Then I have put my foam, my sentiment on foam pads. I'm just going to pop it in here. I know Lisa had the sentiment down below on her sketch. I didn't like it in there. I needed to put mine up there. Now I have a couple of these lovely pink rhinestones in here, which I think I'm going to add in 2 of these corners. 1, 2, and a tiny one. And then I will go 1, 2, and a tiny one. And I will also add one of these gorgeous sparklers just in the middle of that bow. And this finishes off my cute card for today. I love how pink it is and sparkly. What do you think, guys? Do let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you go over and check out everyone else's videos and their take on this sketch, and I will be back very soon with my next one. Until then, bye. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss my next video, and in the meantime feel free to click on these rectangles for more creative inspiration. Until the next time, see you soon. Bye!